Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on adding and subtracting mixed fractions part 2. This lesson is a continuation of the previous video. More examples will aim to help with further understanding. Example 1, 1 and 2 sevenths plus 2 and 3 sevenths. So change these two fractions here to improper fractions. 7 ones are 7, plus 2 is 9, so that's 9 over 7. 7 twos are 14, plus 3 is 17, so that's 17 over 7. Because the two denominators are the same, just add the numerators together to give us 26 over 7, and that's 3 and 5 sevenths. 7 into 26 goes 3 times, because 7 threes are 21, with a remainder of 5, so that's 3 and 5 sevenths. Example 2, 5 1/2 plus 4 1/5. That gives us 11 over 2 plus 21 over 5. The LCM is 10, which means the lowest number that these two numbers will divide into is 10. So 10 will be the common denominator. So that's how you find the denominator. For that denominator to be 10, multiply top and bottom by 5. We've done that here to give us 55 over 10. For that denominator to be 10, multiply top and bottom by 2. We've done that here to give us 42 over 10. Add those two fractions together to give us 97 over 10, which is 9 7/10. Example 3, 5 3/4 minus 2 2/3. That's 23 over 4 minus 8 over 3. That gives us an LCM of 12. For that denominator there to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 3. We've done that here to give us 69 over 12. For that denominator to be 12, multiply top and bottom by 4. There it is there, which gives us 32 over 12. 69 over 12 minus 32 over 12 is 37 over 12, which is 3 1/12. Example 4, 2 1/4 plus 4 1/2 plus 1 1/5. That's 9 over 4 plus 9 over 2 plus 6 over 5. The LCM is 20. For that denominator to be 20, multiply top and bottom by 5. We've done that here, which gives us 45 over 20. For that denominator to be 20, multiply top and bottom by 10. We've done that here to give us 90 over 20. And for that denominator to be 20, multiply top and bottom by 4. We've done that here to give us 24 over 20. When you add those three fractions together, you get 159 over 20, which is 7 19/20. Example 5, 5 2/5 plus 4 2/3 minus 3 1/2 equals 27 over 5 plus 14 over 3 minus 7 over 2. The LCM is 30. For that denominator to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 6. We've done that here, which gives us 162 over 30. For that denominator there to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 10. We've done that here to give us 140 over 30. And for that denominator there to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 15. We've done that here, which gives us 105 over 30. When we simplify those fractions, we get 197 over 30, which is 6 17 over 30. Example 6, 6 1/5 minus 2 2/3 minus 1 1/4. That's 31 over 5 minus 8 over 3 minus 5 over 2. The LCM is 30. For that denominator to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 6, which gives us 186 over 30. For that denominator to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 10, which gives us 80 over 30. And for that denominator to be 30, multiply top and bottom by 15, which gives us 75 over 30. When we simplify those three fractions, we get 31 over 30, which is 1 1/30.